Morning, Angeline. What are you eating? Oreo? No school today. Good morning, darling. What you eating? Quit spinning around.
Oreo! Oreo!
No school today. Girls are home. I'm going to make you some chicken nugget and french fries. Here's what I'm making for my babies. I'm gonna cut the chicken breast into tiny pieces and coat them with breading mix so they can have their lunch. I'm going to make my babies some chicken nuggets. And cut this chicken breast into little bitty cubes and put it on a breading mix. That's what they like sometimes. With french fries, fresh potato fries. Okay, rinse it off. And I have my breading mix in a bag ready to go. And shake it off. Maybe that's not enough for them. I need to chop one more. Making some fresh potato fries to go with their chicken nugget.
Can I put water?
Where?
Water block.
Why do you need to put water on that thing?
Because it's water block. Because it waters. Want to get wet?
You're supposed to be playing with water.
My cookie get wet because it's waterproof.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Get wet and then dry up.
A little bit of seasoning for the potatoes. I mean for the french fries. Ako po, mayroon akong tahong. I have tahong for my rice for my lunch. What are you doing again?
I can clean it.
You're cleansing the what?
This marker.
Oh, no, you need to tell Daddy to buy you some more washable ones. That's what Darlene do all the time. She likes messing up stuff.
It's yellow.
She's an inventor.
Let's turn yellow.
Turn yellow?
Somebody has pee on the toilet.
It looks like pee. That's enough eating, Cookie, okay? You're going to eat. I'm boiling my grease for the chicken nuggets. And my rice is finally done. I can't live a day without my rice. I'm a Filipino. I gotta have rice and vegetable. And Angeline draw a what's that? Filipino flag. Quit eating. And surprise! Got a lot of laundry to fold. Laundry here and laundry there. That's mama's job. And here's my plants. We moved them in the house so they won't die. I love my plants. This one here, I got this for 10 years already. I've been saving it every year in the house. I love plants. I miss having a lot of plants. Because in Philippines, we have so much plants. We have so much flowers. Back when I was young, we had a lot of plants in our yard. A lot of flowers. So I love flowers. Let's get ready to put the chicken in here. Stay away from mommy. This is hot right here and up.
It was more yellow than
Oh, it's more yellow. And they like it moist. They don't like their chicken nuggets dry. Just moist, tender and juicy. Tender, juicy. This is better than frozen ones. It's turning into light brown. We actually have a deep fryer, but I don't like using that thing. It's too much work. This is easier. Easier is easier. What now? What's magic? Who draw the hands?
if we get
Angeline did.
Yeah, and I throw another bottle.
It's nice outside. There's a lot of birds on the back. See if we can zoom into the back. Yeah, there's some birds out there, darling.
Mom, look at Daddy. Mom, look at
Ooh.
Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
This is.
Look at the birds outside, darling. They're saving foods for winter time. So what letter is that?
Letter L.
Letter L. Good job, darling. Good job.
Is it for lowercase letter L?
Oh, let's see how chicken nuggets is doing now. Oh, it's turning brown, darling. These babies are turning brown.
Mom, look at it. Now it's a lowercase.
Darlene likes her chicken nuggets into tiny pieces, like bite size. Bite size.
Daddy, look. Mom.
Oh, what now? What?
L.
Oh,
Lowercase L.
oh, what's that? Lowercase L. Good job. That's the pre-K-er, darling. She knows the lowercase.
This case.
Yeah. So this is for Darlene because it's little bitty pieces, and this is for Angeline, medium size. Now I'm going to fry the French fries. French fries. Why is this thing called French fries? It's supposed to be potato fries. Here we go, French fries.
My magic rock.
The what? Okay, I just done cutting some. Baby, ready to eat. You want ketchup? Do you want ketchup? Hot? I'm not done with your French fries. Go ahead and get your fruit. Is it hot still? What did you say?
I love this.
That's not fish. That's chicken. Chicken popcorns because they're tiny. She don't really eat much. She only eat a little bit.
Yeah, I could have
Not done with your fries, Angeline. Okay, I'm going outside to dump some of my trash. And I'll show you guys what it looks like outside. These kids are already making a mess for me to clean up. That's what they do when they're at home.
Can I come with you?
Yeah, on the porch. You don't have shoes.
No.
This is... I'm just going to dump the trash. I'm going back to the house.
Ow.
Here's the outside. It's quiet. Ain't it quiet, Angeline? No neighbors in the front. That's a church right there across our house. That's a church. Stay here. I will dump the trash.
Cops.
Where?
Right there.
That's not Cop. That's AT&T. The weather right now is so perfect. Perfect. We're going back to the house. I need to get my work done. I saw a big kid.